Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to create a simple and aesthetic hand embroidery name hoop. First, let's fix the fabric tightly into the embroidery hoop. Then, we can transfer the name or design onto the fabric. For this embroidery, I'm using 2 strands of anchor embroidery thread. Using 2 strands gives the lettering a neat finish while still keeping the stitches soft and elegant. It also helps the curves and details look more smooth and clean without making the design too bulky. Using the stem stitch, carefully stitch along the entire outline of the letters. For curved areas, try taking smaller stitches so the curves look smoother and cleaner. Try to keep all your stitches in the same direction while doing stem stitch. If your curves are looking uneven, try taking slightly smaller stitches around the curved areas. For thin lettering lines, avoid pulling the thread too tightly. Keeping a soft tension helps the stitches sit naturally on the fabric. Stem stitch is one of the best stitches for lettering, because it naturally follows curves very beautifully. If you're a beginner in hand embroidery, practicing lettering like this is actually a great way to improve stitch control. Now let's create the bold embossed effect, which is the highlight of this design. To do this, I'm working over the stem stitches that we already completed. Bring the needle up near the stem stitch and start wrapping the thread over the stitches one by one. Now, we are simply covering the stem stitches with overcasting. Using 2 strands of thread gives a neat balanced look, not too thin and not too bulky. If the wrapping is done too tightly, the lettering can lose its smooth shape, so keep the thread tension gentle and even. This is actually the step that gives the lettering a more professional and embossed appearance. You can also experiment with different thread shades to create a shadow or gradient effect in lettering, embroidery. If you try this design, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your creations. Would you like to see more lettering tutorials like this? Let me know in the comments. I personally love how elegant stem stitch looks for cursive lettering. The texture becomes so satisfying once the overcasting is completed. Simple techniques like this can make embroidery look so much more detailed and premium. This combination of stem stitch and overcasting creates such a soft handcrafted finish. Notice how the bold sections instantly make the name stand out more. Small details like overcasting can completely transform simple embroidery designs. Taking a little extra time to keep the stitches neat always makes the final embroidery look much more polished. Once the overcasting is complete, secure the thread neatly at the back of the fabric and trim the excess thread. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more hand embroidery tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.